Welcome to our comparison video, where we pit the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 against the OneBlade 360 Pro. Both of these grooming tools are designed to meet men's grooming needs, but they cater to different preferences. In this video, we'll delve into their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Let's find out which one is the best grooming kit for you. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 is an all-in-one grooming kit that offers versatility for face, head, and body grooming. It comes with multiple attachments that cater to various trimming and styling needs. In contrast, the OneBlade 360 Pro is primarily designed for face grooming, providing a close shave while being gentle on the skin. If you're looking for a tool that can handle all your grooming needs, the Multigroom 7000 is the way to go, while the OneBlade is perfect for those who focus on facial hair. The Multigroom 7000 boasts a comprehensive 19-piece kit, including various guards and attachments for different grooming tasks. This extensive range allows users to achieve any desired look, from beard trimming to body grooming. On the other hand, the OneBlade 360 Pro comes with a 12-length adjustable comb, which is great for trimming but limits its versatility compared to the Multigroom. If you value options and flexibility, the Multigroom 7000 stands out. The Multigroom 7000 features Beard Sense technology, which adjusts the trimming power based on the thickness of your beard, ensuring efficient trimming. Meanwhile, the OneBlade 360 Pro utilizes a flexible 360 blade that adapts to the contours of your face, providing a close and comfortable shave. Both technologies enhance the grooming experience, but they serve different purposes. The choice depends on whether you prioritize adaptability or precision. In conclusion, both the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 and the OneBlade 360 Pro have their strengths. The Multigroom 7000 is perfect for those who need a versatile grooming kit with multiple attachments, while the OneBlade 360 Pro is ideal for users focused on facial grooming with its innovative blade technology. Whichever you choose, both products offer quality and performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.